Targeting specific demographics on Facebook is crucial for reaching the right audience for your ad campaign. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to target specific demographics. 1. Access Facebook Ad Manager. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Ad Manager. If you're using Business Manager, you can access it there as well. 2. Create a new ad campaign. Click on the +Create button to start a new ad campaign. Choose your campaign objective based on your advertising goals, e.g., brand awareness, traffic, conversions. 3. Set up your ad set. In the ad set level, you'll define the targeting parameters for your ad. This includes demographics. Key targeting options include location. Specify the geographic area you want to target, whether it's a country, city, or specific radius around a location. Age and gender. Set the age range and gender of your target audience. 4. Detailed targeting. This is where you can get specific about your audience. Facebook provides a range of targeting options, including interests. Target users based on their interests, hobbies, and activities. Behaviors. Define your audience based on behaviors such as purchase history, device usage, and more. Demographics. Further narrow down your audience by factors like education level, job title, relationship status, etc. 5. Connections. Decide whether you want to include or exclude people who have a specific connection to your Facebook page, app, or event. This can help you target a more engaged audience. 6. Custom audiences. If you have a custom audience, you can use it to target specific groups. Custom audiences can be created based on your existing customer lists, website visitors, app users, and more. 7. Lookalike audiences. Facebook allows you to create lookalike audiences, which are new audiences similar to your existing customers. This can expand your reach to users who are likely to be interested in your products or services. 8. Budget and schedule. Set your daily or lifetime budget and choose the schedule for your ad. Determine whether you want your ad to run continuously or during specific days and times. 9. Ad placement. Choose where you want your ad to appear. You can select automatic placements or manually choose platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. 10. Optimization. Choose the optimization settings based on your campaign objective. For example, if your goal is website conversions, you might optimize for conversions. 11. Review and launch. Before launching your campaign, carefully review all your ad set details, targeting options, budget, and schedule. Once satisfied, click Confirm or Launch to publish your ad campaign. 12. Monitor and adjust. After your ad is live, monitor its performance using Facebook Ads Manager. Analyze metrics and make adjustments to your targeting strategy based on the insights gained. Regularly review and update your targeting parameters to ensure your ads are reaching the most relevant audience for your campaign goals. So that's it. See you in the next videos.